Hello children, welcome back. So in this video we are going to be learning synonyms and antonyms, question and answers for the first lesson, the sea turtles. So firstly, synonym. You know what is meant by synonym? Synonym means the meaning of the words. Okay? So first, entire, that means whole. Rare, uncommon, huge, very big. Slash, cut. Emerge, come out. Tiny, very small. Adult, grown up. So now let me read the antonyms. You know what is meant by antonyms? Antonym means the opposite for the words. Okay. First, huge. That is opposite is small. Above, below. Tiny, big. Adults, young. Natural, artificial. Continue, discontinue. Sadly, happily. Okay, so these are the opposite for the words. Okay, so let's move to answer the following questions. First question, name the species found in Indian coastal waters. Okay, so I already told you in the lesson what are the species we could find in Indian coastal water, isn't it? Do you remember them? Yes, there are 5 species of sea turtles can be found in Indian coastal water. Okay, you know the answer already. So let me read the answer once again. A. First one, the olive ridley. Second, the hawksbill. Third one, the green sea turtle. Fourth one, the loggerhead. Fifth one, the leatherback. So these are the 5 species of sea turtles can be found in Indian coastal water. So second question, which is the smallest species among them? So which one is small sea turtles among the 5? Okay. So the answer is the olive ridley is the smallest species among them. The olive ridley is the very small species, very small sea turtle among the 5. So it weighs up to 35 kg. What is the weight of the small sea turtle? It will be 35 kg. Third question, which is the largest among them? Which one is bigger? Which one is a bigger sea turtle among them? The leatherback is the largest sea turtle. It weighs up to 700 kg. Okay, the leatherback is the largest sea turtle in the ocean among the 5, and it weighs up to 700 kg. It can grow up to 700 kg. Okay, so that means it will be so big, isn't it? Yes. So now fourth question, when do olive ridleys come ashore for nesting? When they are coming to beach to lay their eggs? Answer is between the month of January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs, even to build their nest. Okay. So when they are coming to ashore, they are coming between the month of January and March. Why they are coming ashore? To lay their eggs. Okay. So fifth question, what are the threats faced by the sea turtles for their survival? Okay, என்னென்ன பிரச்சனைகள்லாம் அந்த sea turtlesக்கு வருது அது கரைக்கு வரும்பொழுது. So that is the question. Suggest few solution to protect them. Okay, so we have to give some suggestions to protect them. Okay. Answer, threatens. என்னென்னலாம் உங்களுக்கு பாதிப்பு வருது? Pollution. So when they come ashore, there will be lot of pollutions, plastics and lot of things will be there. Okay, so pollution is the first reason. Second, predators. I already told you that after laying the eggs, some predators will snatch the eggs from the seashore, isn't it? Lizard, snake, and birds. So some other reptiles will come and snatch the eggs. So this is one of the reasons. Predators. And human activities. What is the human activities? We are dumping a lot of plastics in the ocean, and we are building a lot of construction work in the beach. So we are doing a lot of problems for the survival of the sea turtles. Okay, so these are the reasons: pollution, predators, and human activities. So these are the reasons threaten threatens sea turtles for their survival. So how to stop them? Okay, if you want the sea turtles alive, what we have to do? So what is the solution for the problem? Let me see the problem solutions. First one should be preserved from predators and human activities. Okay, we should save them from predators. We should protect them from the predators and human activities. We should not build any construction work near the beach, and then we should not be dumping a lot of plastics and unwanted garbages in the ocean. Okay, we should avoid doing that like that. So the second one, avoid the usage of plastics. We have to stop using plastics. Okay, if you dumping a lot of plastics in the ocean, what will happen? It will be trapped in the plastics and then it will die. So it will not be living anymore. So that we have to stop using plastics, and then we have to protect the sea turtles from predators, as well as we have to be without building any construction work near the beach houses like that. Okay, so this is the I have given you 5 questions and the synonyms and antonyms. So you have to read them carefully and write them as a homework and send me with your class section. Okay, with your name. So wish you all the best, students.